What's up, y'all? About to get a quick wash. About to meet up with my boy Cam. Do a couple races and stuff right there. She was dirty, so I had to get it clean. Weather been kind of bad, so I'm gonna clean the car. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Car all cleaned up. About to head out in a few. There's something about that like hit different. Just met up with Cam. We about to hit the interstate. He said it's gonna be a close race. You don't know, but BMW's got legs, so he might pull top in. I really think he gonna pull top in. He say he won't, but his shit fast. But he got a piggyback tune 93 downpipes, and that's pretty much what I got too. So I don't know. We're gonna see. I hope he don't walk me, but I'll catch you on the interstate. Say shit, damn, that's all I can say. Hey, that's one reason why I hate 40 rolls. Hey, give me the hit. Thank y'all for watching. Sorry I disappoint y'all. His shit is fast. There's nothing I can do about it besides buy ECU tune. Thanks for watching.